We have a great visualization tool here at CFI and Macabacus that you're going to love. Let's say you have a formula that you're having a tough time understanding. For example, let's just take the materials variable cost calculation for 2022. Just go into that cell, then go Visualize and Formula Summary. Macabacus will then automatically insert a few rows that shows you step by step how that formula is calculating. It'll break up one formula into its individual parts. For example, this formula first is just taking the previous year's materials expense, then taking current year's inflation and adding 1, and then finally just multiplying those two numbers. So it's really just growing the previous year's materials expense by inflation. And then it also gives us a check here. It's just making sure that the formula summary is agreeing to what the original formula is outputting. So this is an amazing way. Say you have a complex cell with bed mass, for example, combinations of multiplication, addition, subtraction, and division. Macabacus can just break out a long formula like that into its parts, and it's very easy to audit. To get rid of this, just highlight the rows and delete them out. And there was no change to our worksheet. Enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content? Then hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you over in the next video.